This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the Chromebook so Roblox runs without early bottlenecks. Update Chrome OS now because patches often improve performance and security. Once done, clear at least 2 GB, remove large downloads, uninstall unused apps, empty the trash. This reduces swap pressure. If you know what you're doing, enable developer options for deeper tweaks, but back up your files first. This prevents accidental data loss and lets you revert if a change causes instability. You now optimize settings and trim background work so Roblox gets priority. Start by disabling or removing extensions you don't need. Extensions consume CPU and memory even when idle. Next, set battery and performance modes to prioritize performance. This reduces throttling during gameplay. Make sure to keep only essential tabs open. Use Chrome's Task Manager to identify and kill processes hogging RAM or CPU. These steps free resources, so Roblox can use available. Finish with advanced tweaks and a troubleshooting rule. If your Chromebook supports Linux beta, consider running the native Roblox client there for better performance because it can access system resources differently. Also, lower in-game graphics settings, shadows and textures cost the most, so you keep frame rate steady. Finally, when problems appear, restart the device and clear Chrome's cache. If lag persists, check Task Manager for runaway processes or revert recent changes. These final steps stabilize and recover performance quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.